Hey guys, it's me. I didn't really know what to do for a video today, so I thought I would teach you how to make something that I like to eat. And it's spam fried rice actually, which I know seems really strange, but it's actually pretty good. So let's go, let's do it. First, you have to make your rice according to package instructions. I think that this is about, whoops. I used about 2 cups of instant rice. I don't usually like to use instant rice, but that is what I had. So 2 cups of instant rice, 2 cups of water, and I've made this. Next we have this can of corn. I usually like to use about 3 vegetables when I make fried rice. So I have that, a tomato, and I have half of this onion. Now I'll probably only end up using half a can of this. I usually like to use a whole onion too, but this is what I've got right now. And of course, I've got that, which I will also cut. Right? This now, I want to use that. I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to put all the ingredients in here when I'm done, so that I can put it in the skillet. La la la. And I'm going to use this. I've got everything cut up. Cut this like this. Bananas and onions. So I'm going to put all of that stuff in here, except for the Spam, because we have to start frying that first. And once that's all good, we will add this. I need to recut that. And some of the corn, about half the corn. So I have seasoned the Spam with about 4-second spray of olive oil spray, a 1/4 teaspoon each of pepper and garlic, and I put the olive oil spray, a little more of the pepper, a little more of the garlic in that mixture that I was telling you about earlier. So after this gets brownish and all, I'm going to add that to it and fry that. Oh goodness. Well, that is fine by me. I like that. But it is close. So I'm going to try to brown the other sides a little bit. This has only been on, and it's been on almost the highest setting for about 5 to 7 minutes on my stove, covered. Let's reduce the heat to medium. Take the Spam off of the burner to cool off for a minute. Added the rest of the mixture, and now I'm going to cover it and leave it on that setting for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to come back and check it. Liberal amount of Worcestershire sauce to this, based on your taste. You can too, instead of traditional seasoning, that's what you prefer. Just usually sugar, well for me sugar, I don't know if everybody uses that, but soy sauce, and I use vinegar and bouillon in the rice actually, but I added that and about half the rice I made, and I'm frying it with the other ingredients, and I'm going to leave that sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. Covered. It's done, and it looks like this, and it tastes freaking amazing. Well, I like it at least, so maybe you will like it too.